this one. I want to find some more. Be careful if you see some that have diamonds on it. Be careful if you touch. Be careful, okay?
I'll be careful.
If you touch.
A rock family from Maggie Valley.
Get a shovel because she's going to step in that pile yet. Don't get too close to the edge now. You're going to tumble over and I have a long way to go. See, Miss Jackie was up here barking at her and Sid when it snowed. She got too close and all the way down to the bottom.
Really?
Yeah. I teach you to get too close to that snow. She didn't get hurt though, I don't know. Of course she was sliding on her butt the whole time.
It's on them.
What'd you find?
Gold.
Oh, really?
He said that really.
Oh, listen. That collection gets bigger and bigger.